Hey Lou, what's your tech tip for today?
Hi Maui, my tech tip for today is, did you know that you could create separate profiles in your Google Chrome tabs so that if you have, say, a personal account and a business account of either like Microsoft or Google, when you log into those applications, they don't get confused about who you are. And so basically in your Google profile, if you click the profile, you can say that you want to add new Chrome profiles, and then you can have different profiles for different businesses. So when it opens up, it'll show you all of the different tabs that are related to that profile. So you can go, for example, this is our Peppermint team site and I'm logged in with my Peppermint account, and then in other accounts for different clients or my personal account, I can go into the different accounts very easily just by clicking on the tab, and then it remembers all of your shortcut steps and all of the items that you have across the top.
Amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome.